My name is Buddha Devarma, Central Office Secretary Ipft.
सर आज आप यहाँ मेमोरेंडम देने आए हैं, किस चीज़ के लेके बातचीत हुआ है इसके बारे में थोड़ा।
Thank you very much. Today, 3rd September 2020, we have submitted one memorandum to the Honorable Governor of Tripura, basically regarding Ttaadc election. As you all know that the election of 6th schedule was to be done in due time, but due to coronavirus COVID-19, this election was postponed. And now recently the election commissioner of India issued the broad guidelines for conducting general elections, by elections or local bodies. That is why we Ipft wants the Ttaadc elections in due time. Regarding this matter, we have today submitted to the Honorable Governor of Tripura. Thank you.
सर आरेकटा विषय হচ্ছে যে
Alliance, the final decision will be taken in our CEC, Central Executive Committee meeting regarding this alliance yet not finalized in our party. It will be decided in the CEC meeting.
सर এই যে